us on Times Now. And viewers, in a big breakthrough in the burglary attempt and stabbing case of Saif Ali Khan, now what we are learning is that the suspect has been picked up by the Mumbai police, and he was in fact brought to the Bandra police station just a short while ago, and that's a big development. The suspected attacker has been detained by the cops, and those are the first visuals that we are showing to our viewers. He was detained around 11 a.m., 32 hours after this incident took place, after he managed to escape at 2:33 a.m. in the wee hours yesterday, and 32 hours after this incident at Saif Ali Khan's residence, he has been picked up. He has been detained, and as we speak, he is being questioned by the Mumbai police. Let me go across to my colleagues tracking the story live with us right now. We have Arunil, Nilesh, as well as Srishti live with us. Arunil, to you first. What is the latest that you can share with us now that he has been picked up? What more details have you managed to access?
Firstly, Hina will share with our viewers what exactly transpired at the Bandra police station in the last 20 minutes or so. We basically were here at the police station. That is when many cops entered the station premises. One suspect who's been shown as a detainee by the Mumbai police, he was taken upstairs by the police officers. He was literally dragged by the Mumbai police officers, and now we understand that he's been interrogated upstairs. Now, what basically we are collecting from our sources from Mumbai police is that this suspect has he looks similar to the accused in this case, basically the attacker who had entered the building of Saif Ali Khan, who basically barged into the residence of Saif Ali Khan and stabbed him 6 times. This suspect has face characteristics and as well as body characteristics akin to that intruder, similar to that intruder, and that is why he's been interrogated at present. Obviously, the people who saw the attacker, the nanny in this case, Saif Ali Khan himself as well, whether Saif Ali Khan is in the position to be asked about it, that Mumbai police officials will obviously know. But the nanny had seen the attacker, the accused in this case. She will be asked about whether this is the real person, this is the right person who was there at their residence, basically who stabbed Saif Ali Khan 6 times. This person is also being interrogated, cross-questioned by the Mumbai police at present. Where exactly he's been picked up from, that information we don't have till now. We've been speaking to Mumbai police officers, but they are also very, very tight-lipped about the entire case. They basically don't want to let anything to chance. It is a high-profile case. It happened in a plush locality of Bandra. Pressure mount on Bandra police. But we can clearly say that now it is a big breakthrough, even if it has happened after 32 hours of this incident. Finally, the suspect that was seen in the CCTV footage yesterday has been picked up. He is being questioned. Arunil, stay on with us. We have some more breaking news